Hello everyone, I am Anshumanas Moodk from MDB Electrosoft Private Limited. We make you technically confident. आज हम एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है लोकेशन सेफ्टी डिवाइस यूजिंग GSM. GSM, those who don't know, GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. In this project we will be making or developing a device which will be able to send live location with the help of mobile communication in times of need. In this video, we will be discussing about the components and the block diagram of this project. Let us start with the components. So, as components, we are using Arduino Uno as our controller board, power supply, batteries as the device is portable, then pulse rate sensor, GPS module, GSM module, and push button switch. Let us move on towards the block diagram. As can be seen in the block diagram, we are using Arduino Uno as our main controller board. Then we can see a GPS module connected to the Arduino Uno. With the help of this GPS module, we can locate our longitude and latitudinal location on the surface of Earth with the help of satellites. This sensor works on RX and TX pin of the Arduino. Then we are having GSM module. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. With the help of this GSM module, we can do mobile communication such as SMS, texting, calls. We can do all these activities with the help of GSM module. The GSM module allows us to use a SIM card with the help of our electronic devices. Then we can see we are having a pulse rate sensor. Pulse rate sensor will continuously monitor the pulse of the user or the person who has been carrying the device. Then we are having button. Whenever the subject or the person presses the button or pushes the button, it will send a signal to Arduino. As Arduino receives the signal, Arduino will take the location from GPS and send the location on a SMS text, an SMS or on text with the help of GSM module to the contact numbers of persons stored in the device. Text message will contain a longitude and latitudinal location of the person or the live location of this person, and it will also say that we need help. Hopefully you understood the project. Related videos link will be in our description. Thank you.